Today, we will talk about morning yoga for a healthy life and why starting your day with yoga can completely change your body, mind, and overall well-being. In today's busy life, stress, unhealthy eating, and lack of movement are slowly affecting our health. Morning yoga is a natural and powerful way to stay fit, calm, and energetic throughout the day. The best part is that yoga can be done at home, without any equipment, and is suitable for all age groups. Early morning air is fresh and rich in oxygen, which improves breathing and blood circulation. When you practice yoga after waking up, your body becomes more flexible, your mind becomes calm, and your energy level increases. Let us begin with deep breathing. Sit comfortably, keep your spine straight, and close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this for 1 to 2 minutes. This simple breathing practice relaxes the mind, reduces stress, and prepares your body for yoga. Next is Tadasana, also known as mountain pose. Stand straight, keep your feet together, and raise your arms above your head. Stretch your body upward and take deep breaths. This pose improves posture, strengthens muscles, and increases body balance. After that, move to Surya Namaskar or sun salutation. This is one of the best yoga practices for overall health. Surya Namaskar includes a series of movements that stretch the entire body. It improves digestion, boosts metabolism, strengthens the heart, and helps in weight management. Beginners can start with 3 to 5 rounds and slowly increase. Now, practice Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your palms under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest upward while inhaling. This pose strengthens the spine, improves lung capacity, and reduces back pain. Hold for a few seconds and relax. Next is Vrikshasana or tree pose. Stand on one leg, place the other foot on your thigh, and bring your hands together above your head. This pose improves balance, focus, and mental stability. It is very helpful for concentration and inner peace. To end your yoga session, practice pranayama, especially Anulam Vilam. Breathe in through one nostril and breathe out through the other. This balances the nervous system, improves heart health, and reduces anxiety. Finally, lie down in Shavasana. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. This helps your body absorb all the benefits of yoga and gives deep relaxation. Practicing morning yoga daily keeps your body strong, your mind peaceful, and your life healthy. Just 20 to 30 minutes every morning can bring positive changes in your health and happiness.